Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot in your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by just left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in settings. One of the best manages should come back with settings right above trusted Microsoft Store app. Left click on that one time. Now you want to left click on the network and internet tile. Now that we're underneath network and internet, you want to go ahead and select mobile hotspot. However, I do not have that tab on my settings page here. However, again, if you had a wireless network, I'm an Ethernet connection here, but if you had Wi-Fi, you would left click on mobile hotspot, and then on the right panel there should be something underneath mobile hotspot that says share my internet connection with other devices. You would toggle that to the on position, so it would be an oval. Left click on it one time, turn it blue, it should say on. And then once you're done with that, share my internet connection over, you more than likely should just keep it at Wi-Fi. And then it should say network name, network password, as well as network band. Left click on edit. At that point you can go ahead and enter a network name if you want to change it. It should probably be some default desktop network name. You can change it to whatever you want. And then you can enter in a password underneath as well. Network band you probably don't have to change, and then just left click on OK. Once you're done with that, you should be good to go. You've created your mobile hotspot. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.